How to fix Axe Twitter app email chains problem. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So if you're facing issues changing your email on the Axe app, the problem could be related to incorrect email input, verification issues or app glitches. So here are some solutions to fix this. The first solution would be to ensure the email is valid and not used elsewhere. Make sure the new email address is valid and accessible. Confirm the email is not linked to any other Twitter account. Now the next step would be to open up settings in your mobile device. Once you open it up, scroll below and then tap on General. From here, tap on iPhone Storage. And inside iPhone Storage, search for Axe app and then tap onto it. Now once you are inside here, tap on Upload app and then tap on Upload app again. Offloading the application will help you to free up the storage used by the app and will also help you to clear the cache. Now once done, make sure to reinstall the application again. Now once it is done, head back to your home screen and then the next step would be log out and then log back in again. Log out of the Axe app from your all devices and restart the app and then try logging back again. You can also go ahead and try changing your email again. And once it is done, head back to your home screen and then open up App Store in your mobile device. Once you open it up, in the search bar, search for Axe app. And then once you search for it, in the blue button, if it says update instead of open, simply tap on update and let your Axe application update to its latest version. Now once it is updated, head back to your home screen and then the last step would be to wait and try again. In rare case, Axe might have temporary issues with email changes, so if nothing works, wait for a few hours and then try again. With that, your problem will be fixed. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.